Welcome back to brand on another video. Assalamu alaikum my friend. My name is Kadir Baloch. You are viewing Kadir Baloch Rides. Subscribe my channel and follow my page to get witty, creative, informative, educational purpose and interesting videos. I will solve keyboard issue of typing. Whenever you don't match any word and press space, then word change automatically. This issue is very common, and how can solve it? Let's go to our video. Open your Play Store and search for Gboard. Open the Gboard. Gboard is already present in every mobile. You will get an operation in Gboard. You have to click on it for text correction. After coming in this option, you have to scroll down a bit. You have to turn off auto correction. Your problem is solved. This issue deals with everyone, so this video made was on the comment of Shafiq Khan on my TikTok account. Till then, see you. Allah Hafiz in new video.